Good day, sir, and everyone. My name is Christian Giandos from BSEE. Today, I will be discussing 2.6 keywords in Chapter 2, Literature Search and Review. When conducting a literature review, the first and most crucial step is to choose the keywords or terms and you use to search the databases because without them, you're either going to get irrelevant results and waste your time, or you're not going to be able to generate anything and you're not going to get any useful text at all. For this reason, I will discuss keywords in more detail in the following slides. Keywords are a critical part of the publication process. If publication is to be found by Internet search engine listed in Table 2.2. For our first example, you'll try to search some of the related published topics and you use some keywords that can be found in these three database or other sources like Science Direct and ResearchGate. Keywords which are too general will define the field and little else. The result of the search will be an extremely large number of references. This is most appropriate for review articles. Keywords that are too specific will not be found by search engines, although the closest approximation will be given. That is, if 5 words are listed, then the search results must give papers in which 3 of the 5 words are relevant. Keywords should not include the commercial names of products, for example trade names including software products and hardware products. As most papers are confined up to 5 keywords, care should be taken to use terms which are well accepted in discipline. The use of acronyms, i.e., or in other words, a list of letters which are the first letter from each word in phrase, is discouraged as there are many meanings to most acronyms. There are websites which list meaning of acronyms. If you visit one of the websites, you will see the very long list of explanation of almost all acronyms. Some sources that are specifically abstract contain keywords, asking for ideas, creating synonyms, conducting research, and using the offered keywords. For our second example in this study, you'll see the first title and you can see the aims of the research. And what I have is the several keywords, the important phrases and words and you'll be employing in your literature review search should be extracted from the study goal, which you already have in the form of research question. It includes a title, an abstract, and keywords on the first page. So check such keywords and look at, say, 6 to 9 research articles to see if you miss any important keywords. And if you did, add them to your list. Commonly, the keyword should be different from the words used in the title as most search engines will include the title and the keywords in the same search. Note that most search engines will generate a list of references ordered using an algorithm based on the date of a publication and the number of citations. That means that most recent papers with a high number of citations and most keywords will appear in the first in the list. As publication takes some time between the first submission and the final publication, there is a time delay between the publication of an article and its appearance in the database. There is a substantial period of time between the completion of the research and the availability of the article, given that the conferences are commonly more recent when compared to journal publication. There is a merit in including one or more of the authors in the keyword search. This will reveal any recent publication by those authors. And for expanding search engine, for our third example using connectors, the search engine will only provide me with articles that discusses both wireless sensor ID detector and temperature simultaneously. But if I wanted to expand my search, I could use or so I could say wireless sensor ID detector or temperature, and then I'm going to get papers on wireless sensor ID detector and on temperature, but not necessarily on the two together. You can also use word but to exclude the specific things. Also, you can use asterisk to broaden search engine by locating terms that have same letter combination. Use it in the combination with multiple words terms to quickly obtain the terms varieties. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you everyone for the time.